Okay, so this is actually the second area that had a dead bird and a crow to be exact. Both of the birds were crows, black crows. So I hit this little area with some ammonia, like this whole part of the sidewalk. So it was actually in alignment with this business's plants. Like right as their planter ends, the bird was like right here on the ground with a few like branches with leaves or whatever covering it up. But you could still see the bird very clearly underneath the branches. So, anyways, I hit that with some ammonia too. So, yeah, it's all cleaned up. And one of the witches passed by me and was like, "Oh, it's so cold out here." I ain't say shit back, but I thought that was pretty interesting. The choice of words or whatever. And now her and one of the warlocks are actually fighting all of a sudden. Now that my stuff is clean, now that I've cleaned up these, bird areas, it's interesting. Now they're yelling across the streets and stuff at each other. So, or at least she was at him. But either way, you guys can see I have my little headband on. I had a different one, but I think the policy enforcers, stole it when they last attempted to false imprison me. So they're kind of being loud over there at the 7-Eleven right now. But anyways, I'm not going to let that distract me. So what I was saying is I got my band on. It is copper wire. It's a very thin copper wire that I twined together. And then I wrapped up, that's a tiger's eye. I don't know if you can see it. It's a tiger's eye in there or whatever. So it goes all the way around my head and then it's wrapped up all around that tiger's eye. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's not as good as the piece that I had last time. It had three different um uh three different crystals, and then it had on the front of the band it had um like it looked like a light turquoise, like a real turquoise, and it was a part of a chain that could have been a bracelet or whatever, but either way, I put that around the headband this way, and then I put the three stones, one, two, and three, and then dangling down over my first eye, what people call the third eye, I had a gold and diamond earring that I had put, that would help to, you know, conduct energy. And so it was actually pretty powerful. It was funny because when I actually first had put it on, there was someone across the street from me. Hi. Pretty good in yourself? So, anyways, there was someone across the street right as I put it on, and I could feel the difference. I could totally feel the difference in the energy that I was feeling in my first eye, aka what you guys call the third eye. And somebody was like across the street and they said, "Oh shit." Like 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 they could feel it too, like, oh, they about to be in trouble type, like, oh shit, like she wake. Nah, I don't know, it was like it was a pretty intense, like, at the same time though. And I don't believe in coincidence. So anyways, that was quite interesting, if I might say so myself. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video. I just wanted to get on here really quick and show you guys the other little area that I had to clean up where the dead bird was. Man, ain't nobody got time for these evil mother suckers. Like, mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. And I did say mother suckers. Sucker. Okay. Peace.